I recently began developing my dream clothing company and have started to produce some of my first products. But I ran into some unforeseen startup expenses along the way. I've used the Blender platform previously to lend money to some friends and family to help get their business off the ground. And much like them, I need a little extra help too. The Blender platform makes it easy for them to contribute because it requires my lenders to approve of my withdrawal request before I can use their money. Plus, the record keeping is on point. Everyone knows exactly how much I owe them, and I can even repay them right through the app. Within 2 weeks, I've already received over $400, most coming from friends and family, but some even coming from strangers who deem me credible after reviewing my lending and borrowing statistics. The Blender platform has been amazing for me and my family to obtain capital to start our businesses. My advice to you is just go ahead and download the app. It could really help you too.
The Blender platform, power to your wallet.